Good day ma'am and good day classmates. I'll be talking about my selected tool device for today's presentation, which is practically and helpful for my chosen industry, the electrical engineering profession. And that is the power analyzer or also known as the wattmeter. The wattmeter is a device that calculates the average rate of energy flow or electric active power in watts for a specific circuit. So unlike in multimeter, it can almost read anything. It can measure the amount of current, voltage, resistance, and capacitance. But in wattmeter, it can only measure power, but also it can monitor and visualize characteristics that is helpful to provide sufficient system in a various field of electrical engineering, like transmission lines, power generations, and also system provider like renewable power plant energy. Like in the Bae City, there are solar panels, so wattmeter is very useful to maintain and monitor the power efficiency of the system. So there are four major application of wattmeters in electrical engineering field or my chosen field. And number one is wattmeters are used by electric providers to track how much energy and electricity their clients use, and they use wattmeters to compute and to estimate the total power consumption. Wattmeters, and usually power providers like Noreco, Cibico, they use wattmeters to measure or estimate and calculate the power consumption in pesos in every houses and in their clients. So wattmeter is very useful in electrical engineering field in terms of that scenario. Number two, they are also used to measure the power being generated by a renewable energy system such as solar panel or wind turbine so that the systems can be sized appropriately. Number 3, wattmeters have broad application in laboratories and industries and for the measurement of transmission or distributed power. So it is very useful to measure and monitor the distribution powers. Number 4, wattmeters are most commonly used to measure the power output of motor or generator. They help determine whether a motor is functioning properly or whether it needs to be replaced. The same case in generator also. So wattmeters are used to monitor power consumption. So like I said earlier, that it can measure power consumption mostly of electrical appliances. That's our daily appliances like electric fan, charger, TVs, and etc. And the electricity usage by reducing energy waste. So wattmeters are very useful to monitor and to estimate, like in Noreco or in power distribution industries in GCP. Wattmeters is very useful to monitor and visualize how the system is functioning, like it is being abnormal or overload, like that. Another thing is even though in our appliances, like the smaller appliances, more like example like our electric fans, our chargers, and etc., we can use wattmeters to measure their power consumption and to realize how much our cost will be. So that's it guys, so thank you for watching. That's the most major application of my chosen device that is related in electrical engineering, and that is wattmeter. So that is guys, so thank you so much for watching.